Hello and welcome to Roy's the Boy. Today's video we are going to be doing a radio controlled engine. Now this engine, it's about 20 years old. It's been in a box. I'm not too sure if it's really ever been used, and it's not moving, so let's go and see if we can sort this engine out and get it up and running. Okay, so this is the little engine. It's a OS25. From there to there is 3.5 inches long, and the depth of it is 2 3/4, just over the. It has 2 mounting sides there, which goes onto the clip onto the engine, onto the plane. Get it right. This is the carburetor, really small carburetor, and this there is the glow plug, which you use to help starting the engine. Now the problem I have with this is it's been in the box for a long while. I've never used it. I bought it second hand, and they said to me they think it's seized. I can't see how it's seized, because to me it looks virtually brand new and it's just not turning over. So what I'm going to do is, even that's quite hard here, that's the throttle for the carburetor. I'm going to put some oil in there, leave it overnight and let it soak in, and then we'll see how we get on with it. Okay, so that's been soaking in there, and I've put a propeller on it, and because that helps it move around. So what I'm going to try and do now is try and work. Oh, it's moving now. Just move it backwards and forwards. You can see inside there, you can see the piston going. So what I'm going to do now as well is just put some after run in there. Oh, there we are. Well, that is not seized, so that is quite good now. That has got very good compression, the way it should be. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take all this off properly, connect the exhaust on it, set up my fuel tank tester or engine test bed, and see if we can get this working. Right, okay, this is a little test bench that I made up. Now you can buy these anywhere really. So what really happens is that sits into there. Needs to come up a bit more. There's that one. Okay, right, so that's bolted on. Next thing I have to put on is the exhaust pipe, which will sit on there, and I need to find the long screws for them. Let's just sit through there, and this has only got a small screwdriver, so I'm just going to get the right screwdriver and put. Right, okay, so that is now set up, ready to go. The fuel lines in, bottom one here goes into the carburetor, and this one's for breather for the exhaust. So we're going to put some fuel in, and we'll see if we can get this thing to fire up. Right, so there you have, you saw that one then. That wasn't too bad in the end. I got really lucky with this engine. As you saw, it was running nice. I thought it was seized, it ain't seized, it was just gunked up. I made my own little gasket, as you can see there, and it ran very nicely in the end. Now I am going to be considering putting this in another plane of mine which I made, because the engine on that one, it's a slightly bigger engine, but it is overpowered for that plane, but that one is not very good, so I'll have to take that one apart. But I want to fly it, so I'm going to consider putting this one into that model, and hopefully you'll see this on a future video. So anyway, if you like this video, and please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell down the bottom, and then you'll be told any more videos I've got up and coming. So anyway, that's all there is on this one now, really. Until next time, cheerio.